Chris Tong here again, Toyota Scion and Bozeman, here to go over the 2016 Scion IA. We're going to go over the information and entertainment system in this particular vehicle. First thing you're going to notice is your big 7-inch screen. Throw the car in reverse. Boom, there's your big old backup camera. Can check out, watch who's walking across behind you. Make sure you don't run into anything. Next thing you're going to notice is you don't have your audio controls or anything where you'd normally expect them. You have them right here. You have your volume control, back button, favorites button, nav button, home button, music button, and then the little joystick here in the center, which is going to control everything. So you also have USB and auxiliary inputs right down in here. Can't hardly see them, but you do have 2 USB inputs. You also have a 12-volt power supply and an auxiliary jack in there. Get a little light on the subject, help show you that there. In our center here, this is where everything's going to happen. You've got your applications. Use your joystick, hit the enter button. Got HD radio traffic, fuel economy monitor, maintenance system, and warning guidance. So if there's any traffic areas you want to avoid, fuel economy, hit that, brings it up. You've got miles per gallon as far as your trip, and you've also got fuel economy history. So history and the current drive. Pretty neat stuff right there. I'm going to back that up a little bit. Back up button. And you go to entertainment. Using the joystick again, scrolling around. Audio sources. You've got AM, FM, AHA, which is an app you want to download. Pandora, again an app. Stitcher, app, and your Bluetooth if you connect with your Bluetooth. Also USB. Backing up again, you've got auto memory, so where your memory locations are, as well as favorites. HD radio if you're in HD radio area. You've got scan, so it'll scan for radio stations. Or you can actually select tune. Use your little joystick, dial in the exact radio station you want, and you're all set. Previous will do previous radio station, and then next will do next. Also got your sound settings. Also in your sound settings, you're going to notice more stuff up top, which we will go over. But you got balance, treble, all the goodies you need to control your music. Get it tuned exactly the way you like it. Next screen over, once you go back to that home screen, is going to be communication. This is going to be where your favorites are, contacts are, call history. You can dial your phone, settings, that kind of stuff. So pretty neat stuff in there. Keep you connected with the rest of the world. Navigation system. On this particular model we have in stock, we don't have the factory navigation installed, but you can get that done at the dealer or just use this system, which has longitude, and elevation, as well as your compass headings. AHA, that app, will also provide you with a navigation system. The final one down here is your settings, which you kind of noticed a little bit earlier. Then we got your display settings. Scroll over, you've got your safety settings, whereas there's that smart city brake support, which demonstrated in earlier videos. Sound settings, and your clock settings, which is pretty neat. GPS locations, time zones. You'll notice it by hitting daylight savings. Automatically changes your clock, so you don't have to worry about that every spring and fall. Then if you go over here, vehicle, you can actually control door locks, turn signals, volume and speed. More like volume and how many times they flash. Lighting, you can actually control your lighting as well. Headlight timers, coming home light, leaving home light, all sorts of goodies there. So lots of neat stuff to program in here. Personalize the vehicle just as you would expect from Scion. Final one over, devices, Bluetooth hooked up, and you've got your system, so you can actually play with language, temperatures, compasses, that kind of stuff. So again, Chris Tong, Wrestler Toyota and Scion in Bozeman, Montana, introducing you to the Scion IA. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Scion. Weird, right?